Hello, Namaste. Welcome to this presentation on using Edpuzzle, a video quiz tool to incorporate StarTalk's learning principles in classrooms. Presenter Vidya Nahar teaches Hindi to children of ages 5 and up and adults at Balodyan, based in Buffalo Grove, Illinois, northwest suburb of Chicago. Website www.balodyan.com. She is the director of Chinmay Mission StarTalk Summer Hindi program. Tool presented Edpuzzle. Can do statement for this presentation. I can use Edpuzzle in my classroom for interpretive learning assessment, group discussion, and presentational writing. Modes of communication addressed: interpretive, interpersonal, presentational. Now you will see a small sample of a live Edpuzzle quiz that was done in my Zoom classroom. You can do Edpuzzle quiz in an asynchronous format or a live format. This was done in the live format.
मंगल ग्रह पर नासा का अंतरिक्ष यान उतर चुका है।
Okay, Lokya, ये क्या सवाल पढ़िए? You will see 0 out of 4 have answered.
का अंतरिक्ष
अंतरिक्ष
अंतरिक्ष यान कहाँ उतर चुका है?
Now one student has answered. पढ़िए सब जवाब और एक जवाब को चुनिए. 2 now have answered. Okay, 2 जनों के जवाब आ गए और 2 बाकी है. क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? मतलब क्या ये पढ़ो जवाब क्या क्या है?
मंगल ग्रह पर पृथ्वी पर
So that was a small sample of a live quiz format. So you can see that learners can get the practice of reading out aloud answers, questions, and then we discuss those in the classroom, leading to interpersonal communication. Features of Edpuzzle: 1. It's a video quiz tool. Add multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or simple notes at any point of a video. Multiple choice questions are auto-graded. Open-ended questions may be graded later along with a comment. Number 2, you may upload your own video or paste a YouTube video link or use videos from Edpuzzle, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, Veritasium, Number File, Crash Course, as Edpuzzle has tie-ups with all these videos. And you may also copy existing quizzes by other users for your account. Number 3, videos may be edited for a different starting editing point or for removing unwanted sections. This is a very useful feature, especially if there are long YouTube videos, authentic materials, they can be shortened for our learning purposes. Number 4, voiceover may be added to any video, another great feature for language learners. Number 5, quizzes may be assigned to as many classes as many times as you want. So this allows students to improve their performance by taking quizzes again, which they usually want to, and that facilitates learning through repetition. Number 6, learner-specific and question-specific performance data analytics available. Number 7, learners may re-watch the specific segment of video before answering the question with the built-in re-watch button. This is an excellent feature because usually students want to make sure that they got the question right and they know the answer before they actually answer. So they want to re-watch that particular segment. And again, this builds into that idea of learning through repetition. Learners may not skip the video. They have to watch the video before answering the question. So they cannot right away jump to the questions. So this ensures that they actually see the video. Number 9, the video is paused if the learners go to another window. So learners cannot let the video play in one window and do something else in the other window. They have to be in the video window to watch the video. Number 10, quizzes may be completed in the live mode or asynchronous mode. So sign up at edpuzzle.com using your Google credentials or email password, fairly easy. There's a free version, which is what I use. And in the free version, we can have up to 20 video quizzes. In the pro version, It's $11.50 per month per teacher. The only difference is you can have unlimited number of quizzes. Otherwise, the features are same between both the versions, paid and free. Or school districts can request their own pricing for their teachers and their students. How I use Edpuzzle in my classroom? One, interpretive listening assessment with written and oral quizzes containing multiple choice and open-ended questions. Number two, presentational writing through open-ended questions. Students need to know typing in the target language for this. Number three, interpersonal communication through group discussions prompted by the open-ended questions in the live quiz format. Number four, flipped classroom where learners watch the video ahead of class time and then we discuss the quiz questions in class. Number five, learning through repetition by using the same video in different quiz formats such as written quizzes, oral quizzes with written answers, open-ended questions, labeling, identifying pictures, and classroom discussions. Number six, differentiated learning as learners can take the quizzes at their own pace, rewatch the video as many times as they want before answering a question, and can listen to as well as read the questions and take the quiz as many times as they want. Number seven, using authentic materials such as videos produced by native speakers of the language. And number eight, using VoiceThread and Screencast-O-Matic recordings to make my videos for quizzes. So if I don't find a suitable video on YouTube, I can make my own videos by using VoiceThread comments or Screencast-O-Matic recordings. Why I use Edpuzzle in my classroom? First of all, ease of use. Just sign up and start making your quizzes. Number two, availability of age-appropriate authentic video materials on YouTube, which can be easily integrated with Edpuzzle platform. Number three, learner-wise and question-wise data analytics makes it an excellent formative assessment tool and informs the focus of future learning experiences. You know how many students attempted the quiz, how many got it right, how many got the questions right, and so on. Number four, learners like its interactivity. Number five, facilitation of learner-centered classroom, as we discussed before. Number six, asynchronous learning is facilitated. Number seven, instant feedback to learners. Number eight, can be done in live mode to facilitate interpersonal communication. Number nine, versatility. Number 10, free version has excellent features. And number 11, availability of quizzes by other users. Now here is another small sample of a quiz that I made using the VoiceThread recording and Screencast-O-Matic recording.
अपने जूते और चप्पल यहाँ उतारते हैं, तो ये दिख रहे जूते चप्पल यहाँ उतारे हुए.
Now you see the question appears, but if you want to rewatch that particular segment, we go back
अपने
and
पूरे
rewatch.
परिवार के साथ यहाँ रहती हूँ. हम अपने जूते और चप्पल यहाँ उतारते हैं, तो ये दिख रहे जूते चप्पल यहाँ उतारे हुए.
Now the question appears. If you get it right right away grades it 100%. It's correct.
नल के पास हम अपने हाथ मुंह धोते हैं. ये नल दिखाई दे रहा है. ये काफी सारी बाल्टियां हैं.
Now here I answered the question wrong, so I got it wrong, but then I also see the pointer of the right answer. So when you're designing your quiz, you can pause the video and add your question. You can see this is the timeline of the video. This is how the screen looks with all my classrooms listed on the left side and the quizzes here and how many students have taken the quiz. You can see how many got the questions right, 2 out of 2 got it right, and so on. So this is question specific or student specific data available. And you can see the samples of my video quizzes on my website balodyan.com in the learner materials in Hindi video quizzes. So I hope you got something out of this presentation and happy using Edpuzzle. Namaste.